Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the history of your comments and how to delete your comments. First thing you want to do, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you want to hit the lower right corner and click on your profile. Then you want to click on the top right corner on the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Pay very close attention here guys, I don't want you to do any mistake. You want to scroll down and you want to click on activity center on top. Then you want to click on comment history. This is all the comments that I have done, right? So for example, if I want to delete this one, I'm going to come over here and my comment will be on top. So for example, if I hold my finger, I will be able to delete, I will be able to reply to my own comment with the video, and I will be able to send my comment to a friend. Also, I will be able to copy the comment and paste it elsewhere. You see, there are plenty of options that you can actually follow. I actually gave you 6 or 7 different answers to the 6-7 different questions in only one video, which is amazing. So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Unfortunately, there isn't an option that you can actually delete all of the comments in bulk in once. I don't know what is the reason for it, but remember there are options to delete your search history in bulk. There are options to delete your watch history in bulk. So I don't know why there isn't an option for this. But this is how you find your history of your comments, and this is how you can delete them. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.